tried to. Oh God. We tried to.
Anything for the content, that way. Say that shit!
Met a girl named Nina, she like being seen. She was on me, flew to LA, wasn't from LA, Arizona.
What's good, YouTube? What it do, KD Jizzle? It's your boy Q-Tip, back at it again with yet another video, another monthly playlist, and you are watching reQwest TV. Let's get it, hey. As you can see, I have one of y'all's favorites, my very good homeboy JT Money here with me. Make sure y'all follow him. I'm gonna attach his shit to the screen. Follow his talents and future endeavors as well. This is no surprise, the September playlist is late, so I don't want to talk y'all's ears off. Y'all already know what this video is gonna consist of. And if you would like links to the playlist, to SoundCloud and Apple Music, they can be found in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. Yeah. What you want to start with?
This might well be a mud bag. I want to say bangers because I want to eat the Oreos and be banging these so like they will hurt my fucking teeth as much. If I'm just bouncing that chest thugging, like embracing it.
If a nigga talking shit, it's guaranteed getting filled. Yeah, I'm on my shit. She on my dick. Yeah, diamonds on my wrist. She ain't harder than a bitch. I pull her with the stick. And get your heat. If a nigga talking shit, it's guaranteed getting filled. Yeah, just to make another. Oh, you that youngin' who be flexing, huh? You that youngin' who gon' lay your nigga down if he up before your neck is hard. Full blooded stepper, huh? Ain't nigga set you from. You ready to die about that shit you out your record, huh? Father God, you should've seen how they betrayed me. Yeah. You should've seen how bad they played me. Thought they were my man, but in that jail he was breaking. Yeah. Don't understand, I just don't understand. Father God.
On your top. Why you think a nigga like me ain't never stop?
Hello, bitch, where you at? Bitch, I need some of that.
I ain't gon' say too much when a nigga speaking on that hot shit. Fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. Opposition's mad, if they play, they get in pop quick. Flies nigga in the gang, yeah, I'm a cop, put it on camera.
Put your head in my lap. I just want some head in the trap. Bitch, you better not ever run your mouth. Or I'ma cut you off right now. That's on my mama. Hey, look at me, I'm fucking beautiful.
Ghetto nigga, exotic whip, exotic clothes, exotic smoke, exotic women and exotic flow, exotic buzzes, exotic news.
That's it for my bangers on Apple Music, so we're gonna move over to the SoundCloud bangers.
I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you anything. You think I'm stupid, bitch, that you really a dog. I don't want none of your love. I can name all the lies you told me, it's crazy, cause I really gave you my trust. Before the thing, you ain't think I would make it, but baby girl, now I'ma show you what's up. And it's a shame, I just had to be patient. I still I'm about to go up.
Nigga, bitch, nigga, blow on my jury. I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck, cost like 4 bricks. Ain't no way that I be toting on this truck, don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, but be posted in the bricks.
I ain't stand up broke, bitch. Always on that hoe shit. Bitches on my time, but I'm fine. I'm like, no, bitch. You can suck a dick, bitch. I ain't no trick. Fuck you and your clique. You ain't shit. All my niggas lit.
Alright, that's gonna have to conclude the bangers. You feel me? We're gonna end off the tail end with some vibes. And whenever I say vibes, what falls under that category, you know what I mean, stuff you listen to when you know what I mean, put one in the air. Could be when you in your feelings, could be like some just real R&B shit, you feel me? Anything that's not like, you know what I mean, what I think you would play on the aux right before a party, in my opinion. Anything else you just play on a daily basis on some rotation type shit. So.
Right. You wouldn't help me if my car was on E. I'm forever OPM, so I won't die on my knees. Yeah, they gon' hate this shit when they hear it, I know. Yeah, But you rap niggas never win as hard as I go.
How you telling the gang if you mention my name? I promise I'ma kill you for the dog, nigga. What's up with you? I grew up with you, used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that I bust at you. I used to fuck with you. Now I'm wishing that I bust at you.
Girl, I hope I'm in your future, cause I know you fall in mine. Mac and cheese up in the oven, grandma finished cooking. Thanksgiving round the corner, need banana pudding. Brought you on to mama, even though you said I shouldn't. Might not make the Christmas, but I'm hoping and I'm pushing for a better day, a good day.
Your heart is hurting, your body's confused. You'd rather be stubborn than sit and confront it. Come on, like we gotta improve. This not even cool. Talk even when you not in the mood.
Oh shit!
You leaving now is like a 12th grader deciding to drop out of school.
I remember you and me, closest any two can be. Never strangers in the night, awkward in the time. Oh baby, do you wanna make it better?
Ain't mean to make you cry. If I want to talk out, I don't want to start no fight. She want me to die, it's gonna be alright. Baby, I'm tired.
Fucking up my video, bro. Damn, bro, not all that sneezing and shit. You can't be doing that shit in my vid.
Well, I can't help it, bro.
Got a baby from the 314. She blow my dick like a snot. No, if a nigga by my eyes is closed. Also had love for them island hoes. That's the next place that I'm trying to go.
The borderline line, getting us closer to the finish line. Oh, I know you're tired of this argument. Why don't we sleep on it? Sleep on it. Complicated, but your mind is just the opposite. I wanna sleep on it.
Girl, my mood changed when you walked through the door. Before you came, it was tears on the floor. Girl, you so perfect, I think that it's working. You gave me your love, now I really want more. Girl, you so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me your love, I'm addicted like Josh. Girl, I think you the plug, you the one with the best. Ain't no option, cause I've been waiting on you for months, yeah. You the only one I want, you the only one I need, you the only one I see. You the only one I need when you hold a 223, baby, got me on my knees, yeah. You the only one I want.
Won't know what you're missing till I go. Somebody go. Better you than me, my friend, I know. I'll fight on my own. Shit, never to go.
Alright, confession. I actually do like H&M Forever 21, like Stormy.
I can see what I did was wrong, I'm sorry. I didn't know how much I didn't miss you. I can see my whole world changing. There's no need to live if I can be with you. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, all this time I've been flying from up here. I can't smell the flowers, felt empty now for hours. Lost my powers. I can't smell the flowers and I'm sick of all these towers. Done too many down.
Pull up, get the levels right, get a bite to eat, do the show and then we settle like what could be a better life. But I'm still staring at the ceiling in my bed at night, think about what I don't got yet, why I'm not high yet, why the last project was something that I thought would make me something that I'm not yet. It's all a work in progress, that's what they tell me and I respond with I guess.
Hey, these are my SoundCloud vibes. Let me know if you like them and give me some feedback in the comments.
You can switch up all you want, me and my niggas ain't changing. We gon' dump soon as we come, we been the block and we slangin'. Like we gon' dump soon as we come, we been the block and we slangin'. Cause got something for you, claiming that you gon' war with me. Bitch, I'm going like Osama, we war ready. Niggas be hating but can't stop me, it's all with me. I'm holding on.
Just go with the flow, cause that's my baby. You know that I really wanna be with you, and I know that you never gonna leave me. Who gon' hold me down, don't leave me lonely. I finally found someone to hold me down.
Alright guys, that's gonna conclude my September playlist. And my October playlist is looking pretty nice already, so I'm confident enough to say that y'all should look forward to my October playlist as well. So be sure to give me feedback. Let me know what y'all's favorite songs that were featured in this playlist were in the comment section below. Also, if you want to leave me song suggestions, some of the songs that were featured on this playlist came from subscribers that like slid up on my Snapchat or commented in the last monthly playlist. So I do listen to y'all songs. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. I appreciate y'all's support. Great content coming soon. I will see you in the next live stream, vlog, or video. Deuces. Be safe and be blessed.
I be fantasizing about you, close my eyes and watch you dance. I know you don't trust these niggas, I'm just trying to be your man. Girl, I come from the street, so that ain't hard to understand. But I want you to be mine, and I mean that I ain't playing.